How to turn on or turn off device broadcast statue on Spotify. So all what you have to do is go to Spotify. Now this is the home page, as you can see. All what you have to do is go to the top right here, click in the corner, and now you need to go down uh, until you find the option that you want, and here is it, device broadcast status. And now you can enable it or disable it from here as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one.